Hey guys, it's Charlie, and in today's video, I'll show you how to get more clients using YouTube. Now, YouTube is such a powerful platform, especially if you have a business and you are looking to get leads for your company. Whether it's a service business or a product, whatever it is, YouTube can be a fantastic way to generate new organic leads. Now, I've been a YouTuber for many years, but just last year, we launched a new company called Paid Recruiting that is an overseas staffing company. With that business, we basically created a whole new YouTube channel that teaches people about, hiring overseas teams. This has been a great way of getting new clients for our business. It's actually helped us rank super high on Google on the first page for some of our best keywords just because of all this YouTube content that we are creating. So I'm a huge proponent of this. I think every single business out there should be utilizing YouTube, and I'll show you guys how to do it in this video. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is understand your target audience, because not all views are going to be made the same. For any business, there is going to be a subset of potential clients, and it's usually not going to be everyone. That's why making super general content on YouTube, content that hits the front page, is usually not a good thing. You want to make very specific content, and that's why it's so important to know who your ideal clients are. So for example, for our overseas staffing company, we know who our clients are. They are business owners that are looking to hire. And so essentially what we're doing is we are creating content that's aimed for them. What you guys want to do is sit down, take out a piece of paper, and write down who your target audience is, because we are going to be using YouTube to target that exact audience. Okay, so the next step is to actually create valuable content. That is the whole point of YouTube. The beauty of YouTube is that, your content is extremely leveraged, meaning it's out there on the internet. People can watch it 24/7, and doing so, you are building a ton of trust. For example, if someone watches 3 of your YouTube videos for your business, they're going to be way more likely to hop on a call, buy your product, or actually use your service. It's because they actually feel like they know you, because they got some value from your content, and they want to repay you. So that's why educational content on YouTube, in my opinion, is the best to make. A lot of how-to videos, as well as tutorials, reviews, things like that. Essentially, you want to think, for my target audience, what are the questions they are answering in this industry or niche, and actually make videos answering those questions. For example, for Paid Recruiting, right, our overseas staffing company, we think that a lot of our target audience are going to be asking, for example, how do I hire a virtual assistant? And hence we make content with that same exact title. For any business, there is probably going to be at least 500 videos you can make, all on educational things. And so what I encourage you guys to do is use Notion, click up any other platform like that, create a content calendar, and write a bunch of different video ideas. You don't need to script or outline them right now. Just go ahead and make a huge list. You'll see that there is so much content that you can make. Beyond those educational videos, you can also do things like case studies and success stories. You can do Q&A sessions, you can do webinars, you can do interviews. But for me, the highest priority content is definitely going to be those educational videos. You also might be wondering, if I make all these videos and just give away all this information for free, what if they don't want to use my service since they already know how to do it? Well, the thing is, information is everywhere. So whether or not you make this video, it doesn't matter, because they can find that information somewhere else. And when they find that information somewhere else, they are way more likely to use that company or service or wherever they got that info. Plus, with information, it's actually not that useful. I can give you all the information you need, but to actually take action on it and to implement it, that is a lot harder. So especially if you are selling a service, yes, it's totally okay to make content that teaches them everything they need to know to actually do the service themselves. The thing is, most people, they are not going to want to do that, and if they do hire someone, it's going to be you. So now let's talk about optimizing your YouTube channel, because there are different things you guys can do to actually help convert viewers and turn them into clients. You'll definitely want to have a great banner image. You want to have a good profile image as well. Definitely have some type of description and have your links available. And more importantly, in your YouTube videos, you want to have the right call to actions. If you don't have any call to actions, then making content, it's not going to be nearly as effective. Within your videos, you'll want to have at least 1 or 2 call to actions. Make sure it's tied in naturally to the video, and make sure it's also relating to the video. You'll also want to have consistent thumbnails for your videos and effective descriptions. So a big part of the call to action is to have your link in the description. That is a huge part of the whole converting a viewer into a client. So you do want to make sure that is above the fold in the description. You can also have a pinned comment that you make from the account itself, because a lot of people, they scroll to the comments and they'll be very likely to see that pinned comment because it's at the top. So next is SEO. So with these educational videos, that pretty much is SEO in itself. By making videos called how to do this review, X best ways to do this actually already helps your SEO. What you guys want to do is title these videos questions that your clients are actually going going to be searching on Google and YouTube. A lot of people don't realize that when people search on Google, they are also searching on YouTube because Google actually shows YouTube videos in the search results. You also want to make sure that you have relevant keywords within your YouTube video description. Tags are not as important, but I still do them just in case. Having a well thought out and well written description full of good keywords is really going to help the SEO of that video. And of course, the thumbnails, they do need to be enticing. You don't want to have really boring thumbnails. Definitely invest some money into hiring a thumbnail editor because that's essentially like a book cover, right? I think a lot of people, they don't invest enough in this. It's sort of like an afterthought, but it actually should be something that you focus time and energy on. Whatever videos you make for YouTube, you can also repurpose this content. So you can cut up into shorts, post it on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest. You can also post on different platforms like LinkedIn and Facebook. You can embed these videos in different blog posts or posts on these social media platforms. You can collaborate with other YouTubers. You can pay for paid placements. You can tell people about your affiliate program on YouTube. There are so many things. And the whole thing is eyeballs. When you get the right eyeballs on your business, that is essentially your marketing. And with YouTube, there are so many different things you guys can do to target the right eyeballs. I cannot stress that enough. You do not want to take time and energy to target people that are not going to buy from your business. When you focus solely on that small subset of people that could be potential clients, that is when YouTube is extremely effective. Besides that, there's a ton of different YouTube strategies that you guys can use. There's tons of tools, Frame.io, ClickUp, Notion, Google Drive. There's one of 10. There's YouTube tools such as TubeBuddy or vidIQ. You can hire out a whole team to work on your social media. That's what I've done. And just a side note, if you are hiring a team, definitely recommend using overseas people. And if you want help with that, we'll also leave a link down to Paired. We can absolutely help you build out a fantastic social media team while helping you save 80 to 90% on payroll costs. With YouTube, you can also create lead magnets or PDFs to give your potential clients. You can promote these within your YouTube videos. That is a great way of collecting their information. And yeah, you can get extremely creative with how you turn your viewers into clients using YouTube. The most important thing though is just to give value to your audience, create consistent content in the form, SEO searchable videos. And I guarantee you this is a long-term play. It's not going to result in clients right away likely, but after 6+ months when done right, it absolutely should. So yeah, hopefully you guys got some value from this video. I know we talked about a lot of different things. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe for more content just like this. All the content on this channel is aimed at helping you with starting and growing your business. Thank you so much for your time and I'll see you in the next video.